Hello, my darlings. How are you? How are we? For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold. I am in Selfridges, darling. Yes. And I thought, let me stop by because Kim Kardashian did a collaboration with Dolce and Gabbana. Did I tell you I met Dolce? Yeah, way back when I was in New York modeling. I'll put it up if I can find it. And so they have a collection. A lot of stuff was sold out online. And something said to me, Fumi, why don't you go to Selfridges, because she's got her line here, and see whether they're doing anything. So are you ready to come with me and try on some clothes and see the collection? Why not? All right, babes, let's go. Oh, my darlings, so I am wearing Dolce and Gabbana / Skims. This is a bodycon dress. It's gorgeous on, and the cup works. I'm wearing a medium. Is it not fun? Do we love? Then Fumi Nation is here. Fumi Nation, come, mama. Hi, Bookie. Fumi Nation, I love you. I love you, Bookie. Who are you? Tell us about you.
I'm Bookie Gold on Instagram. Sister Fumi. She's everything.
I love Bookie's here helping me, and we are together trying on Dolce and Gabbana / Skims. I love. Thank you, my darling Bookie. So Bookie has brought me to the exclusive room, and here I am. I'm going to try on a couple of pieces for you, and it's dreamy. It is so beautiful. The quality is high notch. And darlings, when I tell you, it's so Dolce. He has spoilt us, she has spoilt us, and she did a fantastic job. Hi, Skims, I live and love. Let me come close so that you can see the fabric. There you go, look at the cup. Are we living and loving? And then the back, all natural, no BBL. There we go. Oh, oh my God. It is absolutely gorgeous, my darling. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what I'm going to do now. I really am in trouble. I really am in trouble. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm wearing a medium. And it sucks you right in. It sucks you right in. So you got, you know, the hourglass. It is beautiful.
Yes, you look amazing.
I love her. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, she's gonna come home with me. I eat pasta. Wow. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. This is the bodysuit. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. Again, cinches in the waist. I am just living and loving. Gorgeous. Let's walk. There we go. Oh, and it's just really, it really is beautiful. So, my darling, desperate situations call for desperate measures. Are we living and loving? The leggings are gorgeous. I didn't have a top, and I just thought I'll come out here and show it regardless. When I tell you this is beautiful, the length is everything. If you're a tall girl, she did something out here. I'm sure she must have been thinking about Chloe, because these are fabulous. Oh, just look at them. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, and I'm using a box. Yeah. So guys, these are the try-ons. I wanted you to see them up close so that you see what they look like. Very, 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 very well done. These pants surprised me. They really did. Absolutely gorgeous and well done. This, my darlings, is the large. It's just too big, but I bought it anyway, and I wanted you to see the stitch. So it's really sexy, it's really pretty, you know, it's fun. You can wear it with a skirt if you like. You can also wear it with pants. You can even wear it with this pants. That's a lovely combo. But for me, it was the dresses. The dresses, the dresses, the dresses. I have so many black dresses, and yet this one killed it. It absolutely killed it. I got the animal print though, because I'm an animal print kind of girl. I just loved it. So thank you so very much, Buki. This is the box that it comes in, and I'm not taking that because it's a bit too big, but it's Dolce & Gabbana / Skims. And these were the heels that they gave me to try on, so I'm going to put them back. They were Kurt Geiger, they were pretty, they were not bad. Here I am. We're going to go, so let me take this and then I'll see you outside. She did such a good job because I did not think that she would have it in store. These are the bralettes as well. Yum, yum, yum. And then I got this as well, which I live and love. Animal print bodice. And that was yummy too. It's really your preference. And then they had the black. Again, black is black. It really depends on what you're looking for, you know. But the animal print, it just screams Dolce. As a matter of fact, that's what they have on all the mannequins. They only had the animal print. So there you have the pant that I wore and I live and love. Then the bodice is a winner. They also had the pajama, they had the panties. You can see the panty on the mannequin. The dress was a beast because it was cinched in. It was cut to give you a contour, to give you a Kim body. Yeah. And then you had the pajamas, the t-shirt. I wasn't really a fan. I can do away with that. And then I did not know, my darlings, these are the bodies. They also have the cat suit. So that's fun. If you want to do Catwoman, that's it right there. That's it. She's selling out. It was fabulous marketing strategy. I just thought to myself, let me just come and see. And it was here. So there you have Dolce & Gabbana Skims, and then you have the lingerie pieces where I wasn't feeling it. You know. But this, yummy. People are shopping, so I don't want to show them. I just want to show them, you know, the clothes. And that's it. And then the white. The white is magic. If you're going to talk about something, the white is magic. The white is fun. It's really, really pretty. And the little cutesy bras, but I think that they're like £50. Let me see. Oh, no. Not Ula's money. He'll kill me. I promise you. He'll kill me, then he'll kill me again. So that's it, my toots. I hope you enjoyed the show. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, my lovies. And I will see you, I will see you sooner than later. Do you know that because of you guys, I left my bag, look at my bag, and my coat over there. This is the baby doll. You got the thongs as well. So you got something for everybody. I thought it was a cute collection. All right, my darlings, love you. See you in the next one. Do not forget, like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. I want you. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye. I have just made a fabulous personal shopper Fred personale out of Buki. So she said she's going to call me for all of the treats. But before I go, I just want to have one little stop, and then we're out of here, you know. So what are you guys going to do for Christmas? I seldom do these videos, but you guys said, you know what, Foams, we want to have some fashion. We want something light. And I said, well, I'm out of the house. I might as well do something today.